everybody, today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Set 6086, and this is the LEGO City Starter Set from 2015 to 2016, and there are 5 minifigures in the set. Get this beautiful fireboat. It looks like they're putting a fire out. And you get this beautiful police vehicle with trailer and jet ski on, and as you can see the policeman has his handcuffs, and you get this beautiful ambulance helicopter. You can open the front to take the minifigure out, and there's containers on the sides can open. You get this beautiful stretcher, and then you have the AED on that side, and then you get this rubber duck that looks like it's on fire with its crook. See, this is LEGO Set 6086, LEGO City Starter Set from 2015 to 2016. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.